Last week on Jeep Life with Jeep Momma,
How to fix your synthetic winch line when it breaks near the hook.
the link to that video is in the description below. This week, another winch line fix how-to.
Now I'm going to show you how to fix your winch line when it breaks closer to the drum. So we have a break. We have two lines we want to hook together because it's closer to the drum. So you're going to take your Fast Fid, like I showed you before, Chinese finger, put it in, pull it tight, and you're going to want to go in like 3 feet, kind of an arm's length. And we're going to go in to the center. Push it in like your Chinese finger and start feeding it through. We're going to feed this line, this winch line, in about 3 feet. Just like how I showed you before. You just push it, make it fat, and then pull it down. And you just keep stretching it down. I took my Fast Fid and I threaded it through the center of the rope about 3 feet. I poked the little needle out and pulled it out. So I'm going to push this again and pull out my rope. And sometimes the frayed ends get caught, so you just kind of have to use a little force. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the line tight the other way and bury this into my synthetic line. And I'm just going to keep pulling it tight. And eventually the other line disappears. And you just keep pulling it till it's nice and tight. Now, this is the other end of the broken winch line. And I'm going to put it in my Fast Fid. And what I found is if you pull this so you don't have the frayed end sticking out, it'll make it much easier when pulling it through. So now we're going to start weaving into the other end of the line. So at the point where the two lines merge, we're going to get this in. So you're going to push it in again, so you have like a little hole in your synthetic line. You punch your needle through, and you just start, once again, weaving it in. You have to have a lot of patience to do this, because you push it in, pull this. The guy at Factor 55 called it milking the line. And the hardest part is where the aluminum part meets this wire Chinese finger mesh. And sometimes it helps to have a second person to help you do this. But just be patient. This is where we splice the two lines together. And I've come out on the other end, so I'm going to pull out this line right here, pull it out of the Fast Fid, and then of course the line's gonna disappear into itself. And you want to pull it as tight as you can. So, and this is where we splice the two lines together. And see how you can tell this is the original line, right from here to here, and then from here to here. You can see it's just a little fatter. And this will get you home off the trail in a pinch. And this is an inline splice when the line is closer to the winch drum. And we use the little Factor 55 Fast Fid.
For more Jeep Life with Jeep Mama, head over to my blog at jeepmama.com.